Turn on the switch panel. Press and hold the brightness button. When the red backlight flashes, it's in control mode setting state. The switch panel has 4 control modes. Different indicator colors means different modes. Select the switch you want to set. Press it repeatedly to set its control mode. Press the power button to save the settings and exit the setting state. Press the brightness button to adjust backlight brightness from 0% to 100%. Press the RGB button to cycle through 8 different colors. Press and hold the RGB button for 2 to 3 seconds to cycle through 3 effects. Press and hold the RGB button for 7 to 10 seconds to reset to factory setting. Toggle the power source switch to BAT or ACC to change the power supply, as indicated on the power hub.
Make it cool, MICTUNING.